भाई तो it's not pink, it's beige in color. Mobile easily can store it in my bag, so it's nice, and zips are also good, so it's perfect and beautiful. But I ordered pink and they sent me beige in color, but still it's fine. It's more look like a white, like a little darker, like a milk coffee, something like that. Not a beige and neither a white. Maybe.
Pause. Sex don't feel like love. I know that there's better days. The memories are gone. It's a beautiful disaster.